Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the main piano, keyboard, synthy type part from I Need You by BTS. So if you're brand new here, welcome. My name is Francesca and I'm the teacher here at Bitesize Piano. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'd love to have you here learning from my tutorials. So this song was a request, and so I do take piano tutorial requests. If you would like to leave one, please stick around to the end of the video where there are instructions on how you can do that. Please like the video if you enjoy it and it's been useful and of value to you. Thank you to everyone who supports me on Patreon and other avenues. If you are interested in supporting and contributing to the channel in that way, please go see the links in the description below. So this is going to be a relatively straightforward one. As I said, I'm just doing like the main synthy part. So I've tried to be as specific as possible about the specific chords and the voicings of the chords as well. This one is in the key of F minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F minor. So the melody and the chords are formed using those notes. So as you can hear then, we're starting very high up. So here is middle C for reference. If you locate that pitch on your piano, and we're going to look at the right hand first. So we're going to be starting on this B flat. So here's the first B flat above middle C. It's going to be the second B flat. The first part goes B flat, C, E flat, C. It's quite quick like that. And then the next bit goes C, B flat, A flat, F. So we'll join those two parts together. And then the next bit goes A flat, B flat, E flat, C, and then C, F, E flat, C. I'll do that last bit again. And then it starts again. So now I'm going to have a look at the left hand. So the first chord, I'm dead certain, is called a D flat add 9. So if you don't want to add the 9, as you can see it's a very wide hand span. So you're stretching past an octave. That's what's being played, but if you want to take that out and just play the D flat major chord, that would still sound completely fine. So that's D flat above middle C, F and A flat, and then E flat if you want to add the ninth in there as well. So it's going or, and then you'd move that shape up to E flat major, which is E flat, G and B flat, and then to F minor, which is F, A flat and C. So we'll just do what we've done so far. And then you're going to turn the F minor into an F minor 7 by adding the E flat in there. And then it's going to go back to the E flat major chord, but again adding the 7th in there, the dominant 7th, which is a D flat. And then it starts again. So I'm going to count and play this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to very slowly fit that together for you now. So the left hand starts first. So you can either keep the chord held down or just... And then the left hand chord. So I'll play it a few times without the D, the big stretch in there. So that concludes the tutorial. I hope that you have enjoyed it and that it's been useful. In order to request a piano tutorial, you do need to be subscribed and you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. All requests are noted and considered. Make sure to hit the notifications bell because your request could be coming up soon. I will see you in the next one.